Hello guys, came to Ambassador Mall for trying exotic food, exotic Indonesian. Let's see what we can find in here. After much searching, we found already some exotic food from Manado. Well, let me show you what are the foods that we found. Some are exotic, some are not exotic. Hello, here is also Manado food. You can see near the Manado food it has. Here is the pork section. Different recipes. Veggies. What we order is this Cakalang suit. It's from fish. How about this one? The chicken. What is the name of this?
Ayam Woku.
Ayam
Woku.
Woku. Ayam Woku. And we order this pork. It has any name for this?
Babi Panggang.
Babi. How about that yellow one? This one?
Babi Woku.
Thank you.
Sop yang kau
Due
bilang
to
kan?
some restriction that it has, sellers
Apa kacang? Yang ini kan sop
it's not allowing and they
Sampai.
don't want to.
Ini
Everybody knows that they are selling
babi berapa?
they are selling
Kacang
this
merah.
exotic food. So later on, well, the pork is something normal. These are the pork portions and other. But today our exotic and main dish that we're gonna try is tuna egg and dori.
Pojok coba di
Let's just start with the pork. Well, the meat is tender, soft.
ngapor.
This is a bit spicy, but it's okay. So this Ayam Woku is the specialty as a recipe for the Manado people. Let's see how it tastes.
Dia ambil semua dia. Dia satu porsi ini berapa tuh?
Ya ini bisa 30 ribuan, setengah porsi nih Pak.
Oh, itu berapa tuh?
This is Cakalang fish. This is really good. The way they cook. So obviously they know how to play with the condiment. It's a bit spicy, but nothing out of tolerance. Tastes yummy. Pork Sate. Let's mix it all together.
Enggak. Enggak lagi. Ya, makan. Makan enggak?
Iya.
After this,
try this?
Which one? This or this? Not yet. None of that. Later. Let me eat the rest of this one because I'm not sure if I can handle it. That is the most exotic food.
Ini juga podcast gede jadi nggak tahu nih anak-anak aja. Diajar aja.
Oh my god.
Ini namanya apa yang ini?
Rage.
Ini Pak Rage.
Rage. Dijadiin toko.
Karena terkenal.
Rage ini biasanya ini Pak.
So first of all, let's try the fish egg. As what the seller explained, is from tuna fish.
Dia belum nyobain itik aja. Burung dara, lu pernah nyobain burung dara lu? Lebis.
Let's try the soup. The soup is good.
Ya, apa masuk ambil kaki. Nah, terus ke belakang. Belakang itu ada pertama tuh.
Let's see the fish egg.
Yang pas yang
It is raw. It is not. It is raw. Surprisingly, the taste is good. Surprisingly,
Taste
there is Surprisingly, there is no fishy smell.
Spicy? No spicy?
It's a bit spicy, but it's good. It doesn't have bad taste, aroma. It's pleasant. Right?
sendiri.
The soup of that is a bit spicy because of the chili, but the taste is really good. Definitely you can eat it.
Tapi
So
rasa telur
it's
banget.
time for the main dish why we came here. Are you ready, guys? Yeah, dog meat. Wow. Actually, I'm challenging my mind. I don't know how it should be. Let's see. First, let's see how our friend will eat that. Delton will show us. Okay.
Simba nih, anjing gua Simba. That's good.
Okay.
Kayak. Smile.
It's bone. It's bone.
No, take the soft.
Yeah. So you must be careful because it has much bone. Don't break your teeth.
How's the taste?
It's okay if nobody don't say to me that it's dog, you will not notice. But because we know already, so it is inside my mind. But without knowing that, there is no offense in terms of the taste. You will not notice that. Taste more look like doesn't look like beef. No, lamb. No, also no lamb.
Camel?
Somehow it tastes like camel, but
Yeah.
but camel has aroma. This doesn't have aroma. Just be careful the bones. It doesn't much bones.
No face ah?
No face, no face.
Ini apanya? Jangan salah ambil lah. Jantung Ini dagingnya.
How is the taste?
I know.
No, just describe. How is the taste in your opinion? Okay. It look like what? It's similar to what?
In between.
Yeah, but beef has more aroma. This doesn't have aroma. I don't know. Maybe because of condiment they use, they remove the taste and aroma.
Some chili, you see? Yeah, chili. I think there are some turmeric, of course.
Yeah.
Many local ingredients here.
I think with ingredient they remove all the taste and
Yeah. The purpose is try to eliminate the taste, maintain the flavor. That's the point.
yeah, but definitely if somebody don't say, you will not notice. You are thinking it's just, for example, beef.
It's just a small cut. How do you tell the difference, right?
Food surprisingly. Seriously, I was expecting that I will have hard time with eating that.
It's the heart of the banana.
Oh, okay.
Yes. That's why I know this.
So not jackfruit, banana.
It's not, yes, banana, not jackfruit. That's why I'm wondering, the taste is look like the banana.
I was saying a while ago, among the foods that we tried, definitely the tuna fish egg was something outstanding. It's possible again I'll come and try. The taste is good. If you come with the mentality that it is not cooked, it is raw, yeah, it may hinder and bother you. But if you eliminate that mindset and thinking and just come for the sake of trying, you will realize that there is no taste of fish, there is no bad aroma, and you can enjoy it. It's good. Actually, even the soup of that is also good. So our mission is
lemak. Yang paling enak
well, I did my best
Oh, saya
for
suka
finding
dagingnya
this food
soalnya.
for you guys. I tried.
Dia
I
lebih
can't
gurih.
say that.
Oh ya, nggak terlalu
Yes, if definitely
jelly. Saya
if
terus
this
aku nggak terlalu
style of
suka lemak
cooking,
karena
nobody will
jelly-nya
say
itu
to you that
lemaknya itu
it
nggak
is
lemak
dog,
jelly, Pak,
you
jadi
will not notice.
agak
Iya.
crunchy ya.
But if you know it,
Kalau dibikin
and you
sate
try,
Pak, enak.
maybe
Ada
the
dagingnya,
thoughts
lemaknya
that
dikit.
you have changed your
Tempel
mind.
gitu.
But if you try it, then you will realize that no, there is no bad taste, there is no, harsh taste. You can handle it, you can handle it. But if you ask me again, you will eat, then maybe I need to have second thoughts.
Kalau di Tinokor dia satu
Thank you so
satenya
much for watching this video. See you on the next video. Bye guys.